It is troubled times. The old world is gone. I am a strong believer in the transatlantic alliance. I am a NATO person in my heart, and I will never do anything that would harm the alliance between US and Europe. We have to be realistic and we have to be able to see what is going on. I think we made a big mistake as Europeans when we cut down our military expenses. It was a huge mistake. Not only because Russia did the opposite and made themselves ready to attack. This is also a question about identity. If Europeans are not able and willing to protect ourselves, at the end of the day to pay the highest price, then what are we?
The discussion about us, it's not only about us, first of all. It's about much more than that. As we see it, we are a puzzle in a big game in a changing world where right now, as I see it, the world order is at stake, right? For us, there is no question democracy, the principle built it up the last 80 years after the Second World War, the alliance, NATO, is the same as our values in Greenland. So that's where we look. We will work together and build in partnerships with the like-minded countries. A land who respects democracy and the international rule of law would never say threaten allies, right?
It is troubled times. The old world is gone. I don't think it's gonna return. Am I optimistic on behalf of Europe? Yes, I am. As we have seen before in our history, there will be a brighter future on the other side. But we need to stand up this time, and we need to stand united, and we need to work harder than maybe ever before.